So we are going to draw Rayman. We are going to put a nose here, slightly different nose to human's nose, and we're going to put a curve up, and then we are going to clip down under here. It's up to you if you want to do a smile, which is this, or you can do this. So we're going to draw one tooth up here, 3 teeth down here, and two teeth up here. I mean 3 teeth up here, or 4. And then we are going to put eyes up here. And then we are going to shade this. And then we're going to shade it and put an eye there, but shade this. And then we're going to put this up here, put another circle there, put this here, shade this there. Just shade all of it. You can shade all of it and put it all like this. And then this is the part where you draw his hair. So we're going to draw a line up there, curve it in, draw another line, and then we're going to do this, which is a long one. And then we're going to do this. And then we're going to do this. And then we're going to do it like this. And then we're going to draw another one like that. Then we're going to draw his t-shirt, which is here. We're going to draw it slightly curved, and we're going to put one over here. And we're going to draw a circle. That's where his laces come out of. We're going to draw that. And then we're going to draw one up here that goes straight up. And then we're going to do it here. And then his shoes. His shoes are the part that have a curl on them. And then this. Then we're going to do our underline. Then we are going to do, this one is going to be a bigger one, which is there. And then put it under there, and then do another curl and put one there. Sorry, my pen's just getting a tiny bit out of ink, and we're also going to put a swirl in there. Don't forget the swirl there. And then we're also going to put 2 fingers up here. And then we're going to swirl that, because that's his thumb. And then we're going to do that. And then we're going to put his other one here. We're going to do some lines. And then we're going, and then that's it. And we can also just do his name here. Or you can do that. Okay, today's episode is finished.